Good morning, Sampark and visitors. It's a really good opportunity, and I am honored that we have a celebrity guest today, Rahul Jaiji. I'm really very honored. Thank you very much, sir. Moving to the presentation, actually, introduction already दे चुके हैं, तो I don't want to waste time in this is my other my career. Next. This is my experience of 40 plus years. I have the background on graphic design, and, logo design, brand design, packaging, and content social media for a year. Next. Expertise in logo design, brand design. लोग ये करते हैं क्योंकि मेरे साइट्स and this time. Like we earlier days our ancient and old people, like they lived in jungle, real jungle. But today we are living in a jungle of logos. You can see like everywhere logos like are there. Actually, our day starts from a logo, and our day ends in a logo. You can see. So in between, you can imagine like, how many logos you come across in a daytime. This is a family story, like how the brands have impacted in our life together all together. So let's go to what is logo. Logo is simple. Logo is a symbol, shape, and the main is the brand story. A logo is the first interaction with the brand. Like Coca-Cola, when you say Coca-Cola, Thanda matlab Coca-Cola. Here say logo is impacted so much that even the part of a logo you see with the form and the color is not seen here. There's some problem with the projector. The red color impacts the Coca-Cola and the design it remains and it haunts all together in your mind that Coca-Cola is Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola. The quick definition is the shortcut, the visual shortcut of a brand, of a company, university, or a person. And here, how the logo can brand, it is everywhere. It is the positioning of your logo design. It is right from your visiting card, your website, your packaging, your merchandising, etc. You can see it is not visible. Next. Creating a logo representing your business. Every building has, like architecture knows, like design. Building has a structure. Without structure, building cannot stand. So even every logo has its own structure. This is the basic structure of a logo. Next, it is a logo of a five-star hotel. The star is shown. Then it is the international hotel, continental hotel. So the five continents are shown. Then it is the Indian company. So peacock, symbolic, like which is shown here, which is national bird. And finally, actually, the combination of the whole thing becomes the hotel, the logo of a Maharaj hotel. Again, not only this, this company has collaborated with another international hotel, that is Holiday Inn. So incorporating their own logo also, like this is a star, then the H, it is again combined together, and finally it comes to the final logo is like Bharat Hotel and Holiday in combination of the new Delhi Holiday International Pacific. So this is how the whole process of the logo is. Basic logo and its variation. You can see the International Film Festival. It is organized every year, and every year the logo has given a different variation, visual presentation. In every year, you can see the three variations are shown here. Before joining Sampark, I had opportunity to design many brand designs. This is the list of the all logos. You can see. Now coming to elements of branding, elements that we add in logo as a brand designs. So what are those? These are brand touch points. You can see the logo, then color palette, and then shapes, and then tagline, then voice and vocabulary, and then fonts, and then imagery, and then last is the positioning. Colors are important very for the logo. You can see the color palette which is given. Every logo has its own character of colors. Your colors also represent, that is also a kind of a brand. You can see the proportion, the how much proportion is to be given for the every logo. You can see the Facebook has a background color of blue and white color F. These are combination of two. The proportion you can see like in the McDonald's, and then the Google, like you can see the so many colors. Cadbury has color, but color it does not have the background, which is only the color of a logo. Next. Font also is very important. You can see if you like to read those two captions, which is more readable or visible. So font also is very important, for logo design. These are specially created the font for the Nike. The variations of like the fonts and variations in the colors. Then is the tagline. Tagline also is very important. As I said, when you say Thanda, matlab Coca-Cola, like in the tagline, like our Sampark, we have like Sampark means business. That kind of tagline is also very important. And then is vocabulary. Vocabulary is what the product, particular outlet, like this. कहते हैं कि small, छोटा, बड़ा, large, like that is kind of vocabulary which is used for a product. Even for the our jokesters, restaurant also like there, he can also have a vocabulary like his own. Then lastly is the positioning. Positioning of the brand, like how it has to be impacted on all media, the social media, print media, or electronic media. Sound is also very important. You must have seen the Netflix and HBO, like when it appears, like how the sound also can impact on a brand design. This after joining the Sampark, these are our creations like logo designs. Right here, Gargi Chatti is here, like Jai Pillai. We have designed logo for them. So this is the impact, like how the font and colors which are like used for, and we sell the story itself, because every brand has a story. Next is Royal Electricals. Now here also a story, like maybe our Kailash can explain like how that story builds like into creating a logo. This requires the cosmic energy or electricity, then their own name and the material which is used for the logo. PCS, our friend Shivaji also is here. He can explain very well like how difficult it was for to convince him like to become a brand for his pest control services. Now he has already made up his mind to emphasis on the cap collar like as a symbol. Next, this is Sampurna Sudeshi. Next, the squares which has another member we have in the Sampark. Sampark logo you already know. These are the branding. Next. Who needs logo design? There are two people. Startup. The benefits of logo is what it attracts attention. It is the foundation of a company. and it is memorable due to the colors. This is a evolution of a logo, like how the logo is evolved. Chhatrapati has come to the final stage. This I evolved myself, from my young days to the today. Next. So, creating a brand for your company, your identity, and Nimboli is one good example, like how this branding was done. So this is how the whole branding is done, with the logo. And finally, we come to an end with a slogan. You can read yourself. And this is none other than the business is no sign is a sign of no business. So thank you very much.